Our planet is thirsty, and the signs are everywhere. Climate change is intensifying this thirst, making water scarcity a growing concern. Rising temperatures are disrupting Earth's delicate water cycle, altering weather patterns. This disruption brings a cascade of consequences affecting ecosystems and human life. We must understand these consequences to protect this precious resource and ensure sustainability. Water scarcity affects millions globally, leading to conflicts and migration. Droughts are becoming more frequent and severe, devastating agriculture and livelihoods. Regions dependent on glacial meltwater face an uncertain future as glaciers recede. Coastal communities grapple with rising sea levels, threatening homes and infrastructure. The urgency to address these issues grows with each passing day, demanding immediate action. Climate change is altering rainfall patterns. Some regions experience more intense rainfall and flooding. Others face prolonged droughts. These shifts directly impact agriculture, ecosystems, and human settlements. The availability of fresh water is dwindling. Groundwater aquifers are being over-extracted in many areas. This over-extraction leads to land subsidence and depletion of this vital resource. Sustainable water management practices are crucial. Glaciers and ice sheets are melting at alarming rates. This melting contributes to rising sea levels. It also impacts freshwater availability for communities reliant on glacial meltwater. The consequences are significant. Melting permafrost releases methane, a potent greenhouse gas. This release further accelerates climate change. The impacts are felt globally. We must act to mitigate these effects. In this section, Rising Tides, Threatened Coasts, we delve into a pressing issue that affects millions of people around the world. As global temperatures climb due to human activities, sea levels are also on the rise, causing widespread concern. This alarming trend poses a dire threat to coastal communities and their infrastructures, which are increasingly vulnerable to flooding and erosion. Moreover, saltwater intrusion is contaminating our precious freshwater sources, signaling a critical need for adaptive measures to protect our water supply. Coastal ecosystems, too, are under siege from the rising tides, which disrupt the delicate balance of these habitats. Saltwater intrusion is wreaking havoc on marshes and mangroves, which play vital roles in protecting coastlines and supporting rich biodiversity, including numerous species of plants and animals. The loss of these crucial ecosystems could have far-reaching implications, affecting not just local communities but the entire planet, as they are integral to our environmental health and resilience. In Section 5, Towards a Water-Secure Future, we confront the urgent need to address the global water crisis, which affects millions of people worldwide. Immediate action is essential, and it requires innovative solutions coupled with global cooperation to make a significant impact. Water conservation efforts must be intensified across all sectors, including in our homes, in agriculture, and throughout industry, to significantly reduce water waste and promote sustainable usage. Moreover, investing in resilient infrastructure is crucial to enhancing efficiency and reducing losses, ensuring long-term sustainability. Nature-based solutions, such as restoring wetlands and forests, offer sustainable approaches to enhance water storage and filtration, benefiting both the environment and communities. The future of our planet's water resources is indeed hanging in the balance, and the stakes have never been higher. Collective action is not merely an option, it is an absolute necessity for the survival of future generations. We must act now to ensure a water-secure future for everyone, leaving no one behind.